Welcome to the Specialty Products Company installation video for the 67490 Honda Ridgeline rear camber easy arm. These arms can be installed on 2006 through 2014 Honda Ridgelines and allow for plus or minus 2 degrees of rear camber adjustment. Rear camber adjustment is not available on these vehicles as originally designed. Always follow proper safety procedures associated with all equipment used in this video. Read the installation instructions thoroughly. Before beginning any alignment work, always check for loose or worn parts, proper tire pressures, and odd tire wear patterns. Replace any loose or worn parts before setting alignment. Tech tip: before installing the 67490 rear camber easy arm, set up alignment equipment to determine the amount of rear camber change needed. This will be used later. Raise the rear of the vehicle by the frame and support properly. Remove rear wheel and tire assembly. Tech tip: snug 2 lug nuts to retain brake rotor, and then mount 81139 or similar angle gauge to the rotor and zero the unit. Disconnect the ABS wiring from the upper control arm by compressing the plastic tabs and pulling the retainer from the bracket. Use care as the plastic can become brittle with age. Remove the upper ball joint safety clip and then remove the upper ball joint nut. Using 37985 or similar tool, break the taper between the joint and the knuckle. Remove the inner mounting bolt and remove the arm from the vehicle. Adjust the 67490 easy arm so its length approximates the length of the original arm. Confirm both threaded end pieces are threaded equally. Never adjust an easy arm so the flats milled into the threads are visible outside the center adjuster. Install the 67490 easy arm and snug, but do not tighten the inner mounting bolt. Tightening now will preload the bonded rubber bushing, which can cause premature failure. Tighten the ball joint nut to manufacturer's specification. Install the cotter pin. If a castle nut slot does not line up with the hole, tighten to the next available slot. Never loosen to the previous slot. Tech tip: turn center adjuster of the 67490 easy arm until the angle gauge shows 0. This will approximate the original camber. Continue turning the center adjuster until the gauge shows the additional camber change needed from earlier. This will reduce the amount of adjustment required later. In this case, we'll have about a 1 degree positive camber change from the original value. Reinstall the wheel and tire assembly. Lower and settle the rear of the vehicle. Tighten the inner mounting bolt to manufacturer's specification. Install alignment equipment and recompensate. When the final rear camber adjustment has been performed, rotate the ABS bracket towards the rear of the vehicle and tighten the outboard jam nut. Then tighten the inboard jam nut. Confirm the ball joint is centered in its travel. Insert the ABS wiring retainer into the bracket until it clicks into place. Adjust rear toe and complete the alignment. Road test the vehicle. Thank you for watching.